I will say it over and over again. Yes, H&M की टी-शर्ट unnecessarily बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगे हैं. I have my snack and my zipper and I'm all set to go ahead and recommend some beautiful options from H&M that you can shop during the Black Friday sale. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज का वीडियो ना ही कोई haul वीडियो होने वाला है, ना ही कोई review वीडियो होने वाला है, because today's video is gonna be a very laid back chill video जहाँ I'll be recommending you guys all the beautiful stuff जो आप ले सकते हो from H&M during their Black Friday sale. You guys seem to love H&M के hauls and that, तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो बहुत ही अच्छा मौका है. If you have been wanting, to buy stuff from H&M, this is the perfect time to go ahead and shop your heart out at such affordable prices. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को. एंड मैं अपना लैपटॉप ला चुकी हूँ. आई हैव ओपन अप द H&M का ऐप वेयर मैं आप लोगों को सारी चीजें रेकमेंड करूंगी. ट्राउजर, जीन्स, टॉप वगैरह सारी चीजें मैं आप लोगों को रेकमेंड करूंगी. एंड मैं ये जरूर कोशिश करूंगी कि कोई भी ट्रेंडिंग पीस ना हो कि आप आज पहन रहे हो तो कल ट्रेंड से चला गया तो इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ योर मनी. सो मैं ऐसी चीजें रेकमेंड करूंगी कि साल भर आप पहन पाओगे. एंड ऐसे इसेंशियल चीजें मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि नो मैटर व्हाट you'll be able to style it throughout the year, 365 days. ठीक है? So let's begin. Chalo, let's start with tops, and I have added quite a bit of items here in my cart. So the very first, top या फिर t-shirt जो मैं recommend करूँगी, and it's a basic wardrobe essential, is this right here. I have this in a black color. ठीक है? मेरे पास ये black रंग का है, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. If you love wearing any kind of high-waisted trouser, jeans, skirt वगैरह, इसके साथ बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. You can pair this with anything, and it will just look so gorgeous. And ये multiple कलर्स में आपको मिल जाएंगे. व्हाइट, बेज, ब्राउन एंड ऑल. आई हैव बीन आइंग ऑन अ ब्राउन कलर, सो दिस इज द ब्राउन कलर एंड इट लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. एंड सिंस विंटर्स आ रहे तो अ लॉट ऑफ डार्क कलर्स विल कम इनटू प्ले. विंटर्स मतलब ही डार्क कलर. आप अगर ब्लैक, व्हाइट, बेज या फिर ब्राउन को ले लो, देन योर होल वार्डरोब विल बी ऑल सेट. यू कैन पेयर दिस विद एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. हर बॉटम वेयर के साथ आप बिल्कुल पेयर कर सकते हो एंड दैट विल लुक एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. नेक्स्ट टॉप जो मैं रेकमेंड करने वाली हूँ, इट्स अ विंटर एसेंशियल आप बोल सकते हो. आई हैव द सेम एग्जैक्ट कलर एंड व्हेनेवर आई वोर दिस, every time I've gotten compliments, and especially this color right here. It's a khaki brownish color, and I am absolutely in love with this. So this is what the beautiful टॉप लुक्स लाइक. फुल स्लीव टॉप है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द नेक्स्ट टॉप लुक्स लाइक. मैं आपको एक एक करके दिखाते जाऊंगी. सारे पिक्चर्स, सारे लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, जरूर चेक कर लेना. सो दिस इज व्हाट द नेक्स्ट आइटम लुक्स लाइक. स्पेशली विंटर के टाइम आई लव वेयरिंग फुल स्लीव टॉप. इट जस्ट फ्लैटर्स मी अ लॉट नो मैटर व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग. एक फुल स्लीव ऐसा टॉप पहन लूंगी, मीडी स्कर्ट में पहन लूंगी, एंड इट्स just looks so gorgeous. That's how you go ahead and style elegantly without having to put a lot of effort. So go ahead and always try to maximize your basic wardrobe essentials. Okay, like I said earlier, मैं ऐसी चीजें recommend करूंगी जो आप आने वाले ठंडी के टाइम भी पहन पाओगे and 365 days भी पहन पाओगे. So the next recommendation is right here. So this is what the beautiful strappy crop top looks like. बहुत जगह, especially here also in Kolkata, ठंडी ना बहुत ही कम टाइम के लिए आता है. Maybe like a month and a half, and that's it. So most of the times it's summer, it's humid, hot right here. एक या दो winter stuff ले लूंगी and next to next year भी चल जाएगा because it literally does not get cold or chilly right here. This is the kind of tops that I try to buy a lot of times because it's almost like summer all the time here. I can literally pair this with any kind of trouser, oversized shirt, and that's about it. I can wear my jeans, put on lots of jewelry, put on beautiful makeup, and that's about it. It's gonna make me feel absolutely comfortable. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable रहूंगी and I'll look good all at the same time. Next, I'll recommend my favorite square neck top that I got from H&M, and this is what it looks like. It is so gorgeous. I have this in black, I have this in beige as well as white and cream color, and oh boy, they look so gorgeous. बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है. It just cinches your whole body, gives you a beautiful shape, and you will look absolutely elegant and classy. This is highly recommended from my side. I have this in multiple different colors, and that's why I will absolutely go ahead and recommend you guys this particular top because ये बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. And यहाँ मैं देख पा रही हूँ कि H&M has this very similar top but in full sleeve. This is the exact same top, seamless, fabric का है, seamless design का है, but ये full sleeve है. If you are looking for a full sleeve kind of top, but you want to look absolutely so gorgeous, you can absolutely go ahead and try this. Now let's move on to t-shirts. A lot of times I've said कि H&M के t-shirt बहुत ज़्यादा महंगे हैं. Absolutely. Who is gonna pay 1200, 1300, 1400 for just one, oversized t-shirt? I will say it over and over again. Yes, H&M की t-shirt unnecessarily बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगे हैं. Do not buy the oversized, t-shirt. You can just go ahead and go to your local store and get, a lot of similar designs at a very cheap price. But if I have to recommend t-shirts from H&M, then I will absolutely go ahead and recommend the baby kind of t-shirts that they have. It's, under 500 rupees and they look so gorgeous. So I got this particular t-shirt from the H&M के store. मैं physical store से जाके मैं इसे खरीदी थी and it looked so nice and so very gorgeous. I've shared each and every item in my previous hauls and previous videos. सारी चीजें मैं already दिखा चुकी हूँ, इसलिए I am not gonna share any of the items with you guys today. This is just me recommending what you should go ahead and buy, especially during the Black Friday sale. So this is what I'm talking about. ये printed t-shirt है and it is just for $4.99. आपको multiple different designs के and colors के मिल जाएंगे. So whenever you see this on a sale, just grab them. They look so nice. Now let's jump on to my favorite category, and those are bottom wear. Be it jeans, be it trouser, be it skirts. I love bottom wear. I've been obsessed with skirts lately. You will find me wearing skirts 24/7 when I'm out. Let's start with jeans first. This is the first recommendation that I have for you guys. Straight up wide leg jeans. They have the best affordable jeans that you can get. They last you for years and years and they look so good on the body. Basic jeans आप ले लो, wide leg ले लो, straight leg ले लो, and that's about it. I have shared a lot of my jeans का stuff in my previous video. एपिसोड मैं कर चुकी हूँ, so आप वो सारी videos को जाके देख लो. सारे details आपको वही मिल जाएंगे about all the jeans that I have and that I own from H&M. If you have to go ahead and buy jeans from H&M, just get their wide leg jeans and their straight leg. अगर आपके पास एक के लिए बजट है, then just go for wide leg jeans. बिल्कुल फेड नहीं होते and you look so gorgeous. So here are a few options. आपको 1900 में मिल जाएंगे, आपको 1700 में मिल जाएंगे. Then there comes this 2000 के ऊपर वाले category के jeans. That's what I love about H&M. They do not unnecessarily hike their prices like Zara did. So I have 4 jeans in my cart. The first one right here looks like this. It's a straight up wide leg jeans that retails for just 2299. मैं just क्यों बोल रही, क्योंकि अच्छे jeans ना काफी महंगे आते हैं. लिवाइस पे आप एक बार जाके देख लो, इतने महंगे हैं. ज़ारा में आप जाके देख लो, एक ही बार में आपका 3-4 हजार एक ही पैर में जीन्स के पैर में आप उड़ा दोगे. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. अच्छे पैर के लिए ये दाम बिल्कुल जायज है. यू हैव टू गिव a bit 2000 के आसपास आपको खर्च करना होगा if you want to go ahead and buy quality denim. So this is what my first recommendation looks like. My second recommendation is right here. This is a very beautiful straight high jeans. It retails for just $14.99. And let me tell you, H&M has the best straight fit denim that you can get at this price. 15 to 2000 rupees के अंदर अगर आपको इतने बेहतरीन क्वालिटी के jeans मिल जाए, you cannot complain, you guys. They look so nice. You look so tall, lean, and absolutely gorgeous. And these are the other 2 options that I will go ahead and recommend you guys to go ahead and check out. I had already shopped a lot, early this year during my birthday time, and they look so nice and so gorgeous. Now let's talk about skirts. I've been loving skirts. You will not see me in any kind of trouser, pants, or any jeans. You will see me in skirts, be it denim skirt, be it flowy skirt, be it midi skirt, maxi skirt. So here are a few skirt recommendation that I have for you guys from H&M. Although I did not find a lot of skirts, I was hoping कि मैं खुद skirts का shopping करूँ, but I did not find a lot of skirts that I wanted to buy and that I wanted to recommend. Only एक या 2 मुझे मिले हैं. So this is the first skirt that I will recommend. This is the exact skirt that I have, and you guys went crazy. Whether it's on my Instagram or in my YouTube, it's just bang on. आप लोग पागल हो चुकी हो. You've been saving a lot of my reels and my photos, especially because of this particular skirt. It's out of stock. I had to wait for this particular skirt for 1.5 to 2 months, and that's how I got the skirt. And oh boy, it is the best purchase from H&M I did this year, and इट इज सो गुड, सो गुड. इतना ब्यूटीफुल इसका शेप है एंड द क्वालिटी इज बैंग ऑन. आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग इट कॉन्स्टेंटली. यू विल जस्ट फाइंड मी in this skirt almost half of the time because ये इतना comfortable है. एंड चाहे मैं कोई भी टॉप पे उठा के पहन लूँ, कोई भी टी शर्ट, कोई भी टॉप, कोई भी क्रॉप टॉप, कोई भी any kind of top, any kind of upperwear, it just goes with anything and everything. This is the skirt that I got and ये out of stock हो चुका है. एंड इसका सेम स्कर्ट आपको व्हाइट कलर या फिर बेज रंग का आपको मिल जाएगा. So if you have been wanting to go ahead and buy denim skirt, you can go for this. I think I'll go ahead and buy this because it is so good. The material is absolutely gorgeous and it just flatters my whole body, and I can literally pair this with anything and everything in my wardrobe. The next recommendation that I have for you guys is this very beautiful pleated skirt. It's not exactly pleated, but this is the skirt that I will recommend you guys to go ahead and absolutely get it. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I have a very similar skirt from Savannah. It's out of stock again, and this is the skirt, okay? And it's exactly and 90% similar hai to the skirt that I have from Savannah. So this is the skirt from H&M, and this is the skirt that I am wearing from Savannah. And look at how gorgeous it looks, and that's why I'm absolutely going to go ahead and recommend this particular skirt. If you are in those soft girl era, please go ahead and get this skirt. You can literally pair this with anything. If you want to dress it down, just wear it with your sneaker, and if you want to dress it up, just wear it with your heels, with your beautiful a top and all, and you will look absolutely gorgeous. Prices तो मुझे इतना याद नहीं है, but it was around like 1,200 rupees on Savannah as far as I remember. मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ. So it is around 14.99 here on H&M. So I will say you can go ahead and get this. If this is on a sale, then absolutely go ahead and buy this. You gotta look absolutely gorgeous. And lastly, to end this beautiful video, I will recommend you guys some beautiful yet classic basic dresses that you can wear 365 days. So these are some of the beautiful dresses that I will recommend. इस तरीके का आपके पास basic चीजें होने चाहिए, basic dresses होने चाहिए that you can just wear it, you can just put it on and not think about not looking good. अगर इस तरीके के items आपके पास रहेंगे, then you do not have to worry about not looking good. Just accessorize the right way, put your makeup on, and you're all set and all done. Having this kind of on the go dresses are so helpful, and you just get ready in few minutes without having to put in effort. So these are few of the wardrobe essentials that I will absolutely go ahead and recommend you guys to save this into your wish list, save this into your cart, and be ready for the Black Friday sale. अगर आपके पास इस तरीके का basic wardrobe essentials होंगे, then you do not have to worry about anything. आप एक चीज को basic item को dress down कर सकते हो और dress up कर सकते हो. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.